Hi my lovelies, and I didn't know we got so intimate. Hi there, my name is țaⱠⱠ, and I'm a photographer, and it feels good to be in 2018. The title says it all. I'm going to share in this video my little one light setup to use when you're short in time. Time is a luxury, and although I'm sick and tired of running after it, I often don't have the choice. So what do I actually do? Simple. Go on location, try to plan ahead as much as I can, make a few test shots, gather all my ideas, and make kind of a shot list that I even store inside my phone. So now I'm kind of prepared. I know what I'm going to shoot and basically how I'm going to shoot it. Of course, light is very important. You cannot rely on the same lighting setup on every photo shoot depending on the mood, the type of photo you're going after. The type of photo you're going after, whether it's editorial, commercial, portrait, lifestyle photography, you name it. Your approach is going to be very different every time. But there is one lighting setup that can actually work, not all the time, but I actually use it a lot because it's efficient, it's fast to set up, and it creates beautiful shadows on my models. Let me explain. Most of the time I start with my flash placed at a 4 to 5 degrees angle here, camera right, could be camera left, depending on the pose, position, movement of your model. If I need to fine tune and have deeper shadows on my model, I just push further away my flash to a 180 degrees angle, or I bring it back by my side. Having my flash in the same axis as my camera is usually too flat for me. But you can make it work by raising your flash above your head, way above your camera, to have those shadows kicking in. This is not the first time I talk about using only one light on a photo shoot. You can check out the video by clicking on the link in the description box below. And this photo shoot you're about to see, time wasn't really on our side, so I had to do what I could with the time that was given to us with that little trick, that little light setup that I just showed you. And this is actually the shots that we got.
Bonjour, c'est juste là. Bonjour, on a acheté une photo ce matin. Hop.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and hit that thumbs up button and share this video even if you hated it. Of course, hit that bell notification if you don't want to miss my next post. Of course, ask me any questions in the comments down below. I've been posting videos every week for 6 months now, so well, this means that we're going to see each other next week. So until then, have a good one.